Imagine this. You click Migrate Website, you wait, loading, and then, bam, white screen, database error, entire site gone. And the reason is wrong migration method. If you're planning to migrate your WordPress website, this video might save you from disaster. That's why today we'll show you 5 powerful WordPress migration plugins that can save your website and your sanity. Number 1, Migrate Guru. If your website is large, 1 gigabyte, 5 gigabytes, even 100 gigabytes, most plugins crash. But Migrate Guru handles big websites smoothly. No server overload, no manual setup, free, one-click migration. Best for agencies and large websites. Number 2, all-in-one WP migration. This one is beginner-friendly. If you hate technical steps, you'll love this. Export, upload, done. But here's the catch. The free version has upload limits. Still, it's one of the easiest migration tools available. Best for small business websites. Number 3, Updraft Plus. What if migration fails? At least you have a backup. Updraft Plus is more than migration. It's a complete backup solution. Cloud backup, Google Drive, Dropbox, scheduled backups, easy restore. Best for people scared of losing data.
Number 4, WP Migrate DB. What if your migration breaks because of the database? Broken URLs, mixed domains, serialized data errors? That's where WP Migrate DB shines. Instead of moving everything blindly, it focuses on what actually causes migration problems, the database. Smart find and replace for URLs, handles serialized data correctly, push and pull database between sites, perfect for developers. Best for developers and database-heavy websites.
Number 5, Blog Vault. If you want zero stress, Blog Vault offers real-time backups and staging migration. No downtime, no drama. Best for high-traffic websites.
We also provide WordPress development support. So if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.